Ever had a crypto transaction stuck in limbo, holding up your plans? Let's fix that. First, open your MetaMask wallet and navigate to the Activity tab. You'll see your pending transaction listed there. Note the transaction's Nonce euro. This is crucial for the next step. Next, we need to enable custom transaction Nonce in your MetaMask settings. Go to Settings, then Advanced, and toggle on Customize Transaction Nonce. While you're there, quickly check a gas tracker to get an idea of current network congestion and optimal gas prices. Now, this is where we speed things up or cancel. Send a new transaction to yourself with a value of 0. Just enter your own public address in the recipient field. Here's the critical part: when prompted, manually enter the exact same Nonce as your stuck transaction. This tells the network you intend to replace the existing pending transaction. Before confirming, click Edit next to the gas fee to prioritize this new transaction and effectively cancel or replace the old one. You'll need to increase the gas price significantly higher than the original pending transaction. The network prioritizes transactions with higher gas fees. Confirm the new zero-value transaction with the higher gas. This new transaction, with its higher gas fee and identical Nonce, will be processed first, effectively replacing or speeding up your original stuck transaction. And just like that, your transaction should be unstuck.